ever listened to a celebrity speaking English and thought, wow, why does their English sound so polished, so elegant, and so expansive? And it's not like they are speaking anything mind-blowingly different. No, they just know how to replace their basic words with better ones. Instead of say, they go with state. Instead of show, they say demonstrate. Instead of help, they say assist. And boom, automatically the sentences sound so elegant, so polished. But here's the good news. You do not have to be a celebrity or movie star to speak like that. No, you just need right words, and I've got them all for you today. So in today's video, we are going to talk about 100 everyday basic words and their upgraded, professional, formal alternatives. So get ready to boost your vocabulary. Let's begin. So the first basic word is ask. Instead of ask, you can say inquire. She inquired about our spoken English course. Buy, purchase. I purchased a new house last month. Get. Instead of get, you can say obtain. Obtain. Give. No. Provide. The manager will give all the details tomorrow. No. The manager will provide all the details tomorrow. Instead of help, you can say assist. Could you assist me, please? Instead of need, you can say require. I require a little more time. Instead of say, you can say state. She stated she'll join the meeting. Instead of show, you can use demonstrate. She demonstrated the correct way to hold the racket. Tell? No. Inform. She informed me about the meeting. Think. Consider. Think about it? No. Consider it. Okay? Check. Verify. I'll verify all the details. Start, commence, or you can say begin. The meeting will commence at sharp 9 a.m. Instead of end, use conclude. We will conclude the meeting very soon. Instead of talk, use discuss. We discuss the matter. Instead of hi, use greetings. Instead of bye, use farewell. She gave a very warm farewell before leaving the office. Sorry? No, you can say apologies. Apologies for coming late. Thanks. Replace it with gratitude. Okay? Sure. Certainly. She will certainly come tomorrow. No problem. You can replace it with not an issue. Not an issue. I'll handle it. Really can be replaced with indeed. For example, really he is an honest man. No. Indeed he is an honest man. A lot. Numerous. Numerous. I have numerous examples on this topic. Okay? Use can be replaced with utilize. Use your time properly? No. Utilize your time properly. Job. Occupation. He's been looking for an occupation in digital marketing. Free. No. Available. Available. Not available. Available. Are you available right now? Easy. Simple या फिर straightforward. For example, using this mobile phone is quite straightforward. Hard. Hard can be replaced with challenging or difficult. This task is quite difficult, but we'll handle it. Problem. Issue. Okay? Issue. Why hasn't this issue been resolved yet? Big. Significant. Significant. And small can be replaced with minor. It is just a minor cut. Okay? Try. Attempt. Plan. Strategy. We need a better strategy to complete this project. And in the same way, lucky can be replaced with fortunate. For example, I'm lucky enough to got this job. No, I'm fortunate enough to got this job. Blame can be replaced with accuse. Stop accusing me for this mistake. Clean can be replaced with disinfect. Disinfect or sanitize. Okay? Copy. Replicate. For example, please replicate the file before sending it. Fall. Drop. The share market has dropped this month. Find. No. Identify. Can you please help me identify the problem? Happen can be replaced with occur. Occur. Okay? Hire. No. Recruit or employ. Hold. No. We'll say grasp. Grasp. Okay? Hope, again a no. We'll say anticipate or expect. Join, a big no. We'll say enroll. For example, are you planning to join our spoken English batch? No, we'll say, are you planning to enroll in a spoken English batch? Okay. Leave, we'll say depart. He departed early because of some personal reasons. Let can be replaced with allow. For example, sir, let me leave a little early today. No, sir, allow me to leave a little early today. Make can be replaced with create. For example, will you help me make this PDF? Will you help me create this PDF? Okay. Idea can be replaced with concept or notion. I like your idea. Okay. Goal can be replaced with objective. For example, our main objective is customer satisfaction. And now we will replace success with achievement. That's a huge success. That's a huge achievement. Failure can be replaced with defeat. Okay. Rules, regulations. You have to follow all the regulations. Okay. Chance, big no. Opportunity. It's a great opportunity to learn a new skill. Way, no way. We'll say approach or method. For example, this is the correct approach to resolve this issue. Okay. Result can be outcome or consequences. For example, think of all the consequences before jumping the gun. Here, jump the gun means jaldbazi karna. Okay. Break can be replaced with damage. Stop breaking school's property. No, we'll say stop damaging school's property. Build can be replaced with construct. A new building is being constructed near my house. This choose can be replaced with select. For example, choose one of these options. No, select one of these options. Stop can be replaced with cease. अभी पता चला cease fire का मतलब क्या हुआ? Cease मतलब रोको, cease fire मतलब fire रोको. Okay? Fail. Lose. For example, even if you lose, you learn many things. Instead of change, we can say modify. For example, I want to make some changes in this car. No, I want to modify this car. Okay? Grow can be replaced with expand. I want to grow my interest in this field. I want to expand my interest in this field. Hurt can be replaced with injure. Did you injure yourself? Okay? Guess can be replaced with estimate and assume. Not assume, assume. For example, I assume it will be done in 2 days. Next one is rich. Affluent. Affluent. He comes from a very affluent family. Okay. Poor. Unprivileged. Unprivileged. Okay. Fast can be replaced with rapid. That was so fast, bro. That was so rapid, bro. Okay. Slow can be replaced with gradual or sluggish. The progress was gradual but steady. Instead of saying cheap, you can say inexpensive. For example, this suit is quite inexpensive. I can buy it. Instead of saying expensive, you can say high priced. This car is a bit high priced. Instead of saying fix, you can say resolve or rectify. For example, who will fix this problem? Who will resolve this issue? Okay. Instead of saying reply, you can say response or answer. For example, she gave a detailed and thoughtful response. Handle? Deal. For example, I can deal this easily. Instead of saying speak, you can say address. For example, I want to speak about this problem. I want to address this issue. Okay. Take can be replaced with receive. He received his parcel yesterday. Agree? No. Consent or approve. Okay. Disagree? Big no. You can say oppose or object. Reject? A big no. You can say decline or refuse. He declined the offer very politely. And this simple happy can be replaced with delighted, content or pleased. For example, he'll be happy to see you. He'll be delighted to see you. Okay. Next one is sad. That can be replaced with unhappy or depressed. He's feeling depressed. Okay. Angry This word can be replaced with frustrated or agitated. For example, why are you so frustrated? Okay. Tired can be replaced with fatigued. I am tired? No, I'm fatigued. Okay. Clear can be replaced with obvious or evident. For example, it is quite obvious that he isn't ready. And in the same way, unclear can be replaced with vague. The policies are unclear? No, the policies are vague. Okay? Wrong. Incorrect. That was a wrong move. No, that was an incorrect move. Right can be replaced with correct or valid. For example, that was a right point. That was a valid point. Okay? Weak can be replaced with fragile or feeble. For example, he is feeling weak after the operation. He is feeling fragile after the operation. And instead of saying kind, you can say compassionate. Compassionate. He is so kind. He is so compassionate. Okay? Helpful. Instead of helpful, we can say supportive. He is so supportive, or I have never seen such a supportive person. Lazy can be replaced with unproductive. For example, why are you being so lazy? Why are you being so unproductive? Next one, meeting can be replaced with conference. I'm in a meeting right now. I'm in a conference right now. Honest can be replaced with truthful or sincere. For example, we value sincere feedback from our users. And instead of saying dishonest, you can say deceptive or misleading. For example, why are you spreading this misleading news? Next one, quickly. This word can be replaced with immediately or instantly. For example, we need to move instantly. Nice. This word, simple word, can be replaced with pleasant. For example, the weather is so nice today. No, the weather is so pleasant today. Instead of saying messy, you can say disorganized or untidy. For example, my room is a little disorganized today. And instead of saying neat, you can say tidy or organized. For example, my office is quite organized today. And boom! Just like that, you've upgraded your vocabulary from everyday to elegant. Because let's be honest, saying assist instead of help just hits differently, doesn't it? Now don't just watch this video and walk away. Try these words in your real life, whether you're writing an email, giving presentations, or showing off a little in front of your friends. Okay? See you next time.